So I think we've got them adjusted, we've got them in a routine, and we'll work on the car sickness and all those types of problems.
Ginny worked very, very car sick. She's done short trips and she's getting better, getting longer and longer trips.
So it's quite good, having the camera here today. It's all desensitisation for us because there'll be cameras on the day. All the dogs have a different kind of temperament and a different speed of learning, and we might choose to do slightly different things.
I normally try to train quite quietly and not give too many commands, but he actually needs that reinforcement, like, yes, that's right.
It's always easy to work on a rig because we can work around it, and do different things, but when we get into the car, it's going to be quite restricted. We tackle it a bit like a film shoot. We train the dogs basically to do the different actions, teach them to touch, so that's the first thing. And then we teach them to touch all different objects with both the right paw and the left paw.
Wrong. Good boy.
No, they've all come through to this point and going really well, so we're wrapped, yeah.